Hi everyone, in this new tutorial I will guide you how to insert date and time that updated automatically in PowerPoint. First you need to place the cursor where you want to put the date and time, and then go to the insert on the top menu bar, click on that, and after that on the right side under the text group you will see that date and time. Click on that, box will be appeared. The different dates formats are in that box, and here you need to select the date English, and here is the you need to select the format which you want to prefer. I'll be going to select this format, and now you have to check the update automatically. Once you done that, click OK, and now this date will be automatically updated on day-to-day basis. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.